Video 35. So first thing I try to do is hope that it's clean. So I click on this.
When you align your divine message to your purpose-driven goals, you can fulfill what you were sent here to do.
So right off the bat, we had that image there, and now I've got this image back, which doesn't necessarily match what I'm saying.
Because when you do that, the quantum leap kicks in. Because the universe wants you to accomplish your mission. And our goal for you is to live a legacy life.
And then we got a tree, and that doesn't make sense for living a legacy life. And so now I'll go in. And so we know we've got 2 B-rolls. And we can see here that we've got this one image, and that's all we've got. So we have very little to bank on, which means these 2 B-rolls are going to have to carry us through. So we'll pull this all the way to the beginning because it was slightly in so that we saw her in the beginning. And then we're going to pretty much yank this all the way here. And I'm okay, I think, with this picture. It might work.
When you align your divine message to your purpose-driven goals, you can fulfill what you were sent here to do. Because when you do that, the quantum leap kicks in. Because the universe wants you.
So it feels university wants to deliver. It's this one right here. So we're going to stretch him all the way, simply because this image just isn't working for anything right now. Actually, there's one thing I like. Okay, I'm just going to do this. I'm going to cut here. Not that it quite matters where I cut. And I'm going to do my split. I'm going to go here, and because I saw a sentence that is our thing. Live your legacy, not just leave it. Okay, so that's a perfect way to end that video. All right, so now we need to replace this picture. So something to do with delivering from your overflow and abundance. So again, I'm going to cross all of this out, and I'm going to hit delete. This is the prompt for what created that image. I'm going to simply say, so we got deliver from your overflow. Woman, let's say business woman in serenity happy. Let's see what it gives us. Okay, and we're looking for kind of delivering from your overflow.
Our goal for you is to live a legacy life. And
okay, so I'm going to say woman on a yacht. Let's go for total luxury. See if we can find something like that. Living a legacy life. Okay, good. Liking this. Okay, so which do I want? I'm going to have the close-up on this one here. Okay, so there she is. So then back to the beginning, and let's watch.
When you align your divine message to your purpose-driven goals, you can fulfill what you were sent here to do. Because when you do that, the quantum leap kicks in. Because the universe wants you to accomplish your mission. And our goal for you is to live a legacy life. and deliver from your overflow.
See how it ends with the sentence, so that works out well. Good. That's it.